Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 4 of the HCBS Final Rule, right to be independent. This requirement states that you have the right to freedom. Freedom means that you make your own choices about your life. You choose where to go, how to spend the day, and who your friends are. Just like when a beer, an ice cream cone, and a foul ball gave Stephen the opportunity to be independent.
Like far out, dude. I'm so glad you picked this epic activity. These seats are amazing.
Thanks, bud. Dexter calculated this is the best place to catch foul balls.
Tubular. So do you want like a snack or something? Popcorn, soda, or my favorite in the world, ice cream?
Let me think. What do I want?
Hey fans, do you like baseball? Do you like home runs? Then you're gonna love Home Run Beer, the beer for champions. Only served at Home Run concession stand on the 7th floor. Must be 21 to purchase.
I want a home run beer.
Right on, dude. I could take you to get one.
Or I could work on my independence.
Like totes. That's a great idea.
Can we practice?
Sure. Do you have your capitalist form of payment?
Check.
Check? I think you need cash, dude.
You're funny. I have my wallet.
Identification, please. Very photogenic. Do you know where you're going?
Remember, Home Run Beer is only served at the Home Run concession stand on the 7th floor.
Yeah, the 7th floor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And most importantly, do you know how to get back?
We're in section 8, row L, seats 3 and 4.
Right on, dude. Just remember, if you get lost,
Ask a security guard for directions to section 8, row L, seats 3 and 4. One home run beer, please.
Sure. Mind if I see some ID?
Here you go.
Thank you. What else can I get you?
What you got?
How's about a pretzel?
No, thank you.
What about a churro?
Nope.
Nachos?
Wait. Yeah. No.
Okay. One home run beer coming up. That'll be $7.
Actually, there is one more thing. Hey, Venus.
wow, you like totally did it. Good job, dude.
Thanks. I got you something too.
What? No way.
Ice cream.
Whoa, how did you know? Are you like psychic?
Look at that catch. Put that fan on the field.
Stephen, with help from Venus, got to go to a baseball game, work on his goals, and score more independence. Everyone has the right to be independent with their time and their money. Remember, your planning team strives to be person-centered in all they do. And that person in the center is you.